Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you some math and literacy activities that can be used for first grade or even review things for second grade. Okay, let's see. So this is a simple addition activity, or it can be upgraded to multiplication, division, or even subtraction. So I got this free printable offline, and I printed the sheets and laminated them and then cut them out. So what the child is going to do is they're going to pick a flower base, and each flower base has a number on it. So let's say they pick number 9. Then they're going to look at these flower petals, and they have to match the flower petals with the equation that equals 9. So they pick number 9, so they would go, okay, 8 plus 1 is 9. And then they would align the petal onto the flower. Then let's do the next one. 5 plus 3 is not 9. 8 plus 0 is not 9. And then 7 plus 2, that's 9. And they would simply go through all of the little cards we have and put them all on there until each flower is full. Or you could just pick 1 or 2 to do with your child. So for this activity, I drew a hopscotch board, and my children are going to throw a rock, and it's going to land on one of the pieces, and then they are going to jump to that piece, as in regular hopscotch, but my youngest is going to have to tell me what number she lands on, and my oldest is going to receive a math problem to do in order to play hopscotch. School edition. Okay, so for this activity, I'm going to write a problem on my whiteboard, and then I'm going to have my son build a city of towers with these little blocks, and I got these off of Amazon. I'll try to leave a link in the description. And he's just going to solve the problem, and then he's going to build a little city with the blocks. So this activity, I printed offline and laminated the sheets. It comes with the popcorn pieces and the numbers. And what you have your child do is you have them put 2 numbers up top, and then they solve the equation using the popcorn pieces as manipulatives. So for this activity, it's a sight word activity. And what I did was I put some beans in a bowl here, and I have hidden the magnetic letters to make up a couple sight words inside here, and my child is going to have to search out the letters, then he is going to have to spell the sight words with the letters he found. So for this activity, it's a sight word band, and I put sticky notes with sight words on common kitchen items, and my child is going to be making a song according to what sight word I say. So I will give him a sight word, and then he will bang on the item with this spoon that I have here. Okay, so for this activity, I have some regular popsicle sticks, and I wrote sight words on most of them, and then on 4 of them, I colored with this orange and wrote kaboom on them. Okay, and I have this empty coffee container that we'll be using. So what the child does is you put all the sticks here, you put all the sticks inside here face down. You hold it like this. You have the child close their eyes and pick a stick, okay? And then they have to either read the sight word that's on it, so this would be he, and then they keep their stick, or if they pick a kaboom, they have to put all their sticks back into the jar. And at the end, whoever has the most sticks wins. Okay, so for this activity, I have written sight words in different colors on this paper, and I have these chips that I got from the Dollar Tree in a giant checkerboard game. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call out a sight word, and my child will have to cover that word. So I will say, can you find the word the?
where's the word the? And my child will have to take a chip and cover the word the. And they will do that for all of the words.
Okay, that's all I have for you today. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you can be notified when I upload. And if you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.